Hi guys, today I'm gonna unbox the Mavic Mini. So this is not the combo pack, so there are a lot of videos but on YouTube, and I couldn't find one where there's an unboxing of Mavic Mini, but only the Mavic Mini combos. So yeah, so this is the box. So I've ripped off the plastic cover on top of it. So let's go ahead and open this. Okay, a nice box. Is it the correct way? Oh shit, it's the other way around. There you go. Wow. So yeah, so at the top we have the remote control, the drone. Oh, it looks really small. And I believe this is the manual or the battery. Let's just take this down. Oh, it's not coming out. Okay, here we go. So this looks like some extra propellers. The remote control charger cables. I mean the one you connect to the phone. And you have the knobs for the remote control to control it. And this is the charger cable, I don't think. And you have a screwdriver. And here we have some paperwork. I guess that's about it inside the box. Okay, so first of all, when you're buying a drone, it's always good to go through the manual, because everyone is like, in any video they'll be like, we don't need the paperwork, but I think this is a drone and it's quite expensive, so it's better to actually go through the manual and set it up properly. So yeah, let's see what's this. Okay. Okay, I'll go through this later. I just open up the drone and the remote control and the other accessories I have here. Okay, this is the remote control of Mavic Mini. Wow, it looks so nice. And I hope this extends like this. Oh, we have two controlling knobs here. I believe you put it here. Yes, and I wonder what these are. Oh, they gave us extra knobs. That's good, in case if you lose this. Yes, and you pretty much keep your phone here. And this is the drone. Oh, I'm really scared to rip this because it's like stuck on to the... Anyway, the accessories. I'm just gonna rip these off really quick. Okay, so you have the USB, micro USB, the Thunderbolt, and the USB-C converters. And here you have the, oh, it's a micro USB. So I think you connect it somewhere over here, and you can charge your Mavic Mini through this USB. And also a screwdriver in case you need to change the propellers if they are damaged. And this is a spare set of propellers which I'm not going to open. I'm just going to keep it with me. And there's also, you can find, I believe 8 screws inside this, 8 or 4 if I'm correct, and 2 propellers. So I think it's like 1, 2, yeah, 2. So you can pretty much change one side of it. So with the combo you get actually 6. So with this you only get, 6 as in 6 pairs. In this, 3 pairs. Here you get only 1 pair. Yeah, and thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Oh, I forgot to mention my name. I'm Nivet, by the way. I don't do YouTube videos, so sorry about that. See ya.